Why did you do this? I used to be a fan, now I'm a hater. I hate you, Audi. Hi guys, this is a quick update about my A7. As you know, the car started misfiring a few months ago, and I've tried everything. I replaced the spark plugs, I replaced the ignition coils, I replaced the throttle body, I replaced the map sensor, I replaced the injectors. There are two kinds of injectors on this car: MPI injectors and FSI injectors. I replaced them all, nothing. I even replaced the supercharger, charger coolers, and nothing. Of course, I needed to perform a compression test to find out what's causing the misfire. I had the compression tester too, but it was too complicated for me to disconnect the injector connectors. I didn't want to go that far, and I was hoping it wasn't a compression issue. I thought it was just a misfire caused by something. So this morning I decided to bring my car to this shop, and I met Mr. Ati. He is the owner of the shop. He works on a lot of cars. He's famous. I heard his name I heard his name from a colleague, and they recommended him. So I came here, and he went ahead and performed the diagnosis. So, Mr. Ati, can you tell us what you did and what you found out?
Yeah, like how you say it was like anybody when you see like a misfiring, you think you can go check out the spark plug, check out the like ignition coil. Also, you can check like how to call like a vacuum leak, intake vacuum leak. But we do all that, we don't find any problem. Yeah, we try and we try a lot to find out exactly what causing misfiring, and finally we have to do compressor test to check each cylinder. Each cylinder should be at least like 156, 150 is okay. Below 100 is bad. So we found number one cylinder, it was like 100, 125. It's not that good, it's not that bad. Number two, it was like 100, 115. Number three is the same, almost the same. We go to number five. Number four is almost the same. We go number five is almost the same. When I reached number six cylinder to read the pressure, it was nothing at all. So to let everyone to know from the beginning, all those issues, it was for this cylinder number six. It was a mixing compressor at all. So finally we're thinking to really head, or we have to find what should be cheaper. If the turbine head, cylinder head, if it will be cheaper, we'll go ahead. But if we find out the engine will be okay, we'll go through the engine.
So you said also the cylinder head is also bad?
It's bad, yeah, because it cracked inside.
The cylinder head cracked inside?
Yes. The passenger driver side cylinder head.
Is cracked inside.
Cracked inside.
And you said one piston has a
cracked.
hole in it?
Yes, it got a hole in the cylinder 6.
Wow.
Yeah, that one too. So that was why you see like the engine oil was mixing, coming all the way, touching the spark plug.
Yes.
So that's the reason why the oil was coming there.
Wow.
So,
that's crazy.
Yeah, so that's the only way only thing I can say from now, and we'll take it from there.
Can you come over, please? Can you pop the engine and let's have a look? And wow, how come such a beautiful and recent car at barely 150,000 miles needs a brand new engine? What's happening to the auto industry?
Okay, well I can split by this, like as engineering, like an Audi engineering can understand, I can know the reason why this I can say is like it's a defective engine.
Defective?
Defective. The engine,
defect?
Yeah, the engine is defective.
Yeah, but the thing is, online, a lot of people are having the same issue.
The same issue. That's what I'm saying. Is defective. It's a mistake
from the manufacturer.
From the manufacturer.
They shouldn't have built the engine like this.
Yes. They have to fix this before to start people complaining about this engine.
Wow.
The company have to try to fix this problem to stop it, because a lot of people complain. for the same issue. Because misfiring, we're losing a lot of customers. And this engine is very expensive.
So, for people who are interested in cars like this and would like to buy them, what kind of advice can you give them?
This engine here, you gotta make sure always depend the mileage.
The mileage.
Yeah, if you really want to buy this car, buy less than 100,000 miles.
Less than 100,000
Yes,
miles.
Yes, that will help.
I've heard people report issues as early as 35,000 miles.
Yeah,
Is that possible?
It depends. If the highway mileage is okay. If it's like a highway mileage.
With mile, okay, that's
okay.
fine. But
If
city
it's
driving,
no, that's bad.
okay, that's bad. So city driving, even at 40,000 miles,
yeah.
the engine can go bad.
The engine can go bad.
Wow.
You run every second. So if it's a highway mileage, if it's 300,000 miles, it's okay.
Wow.
Yep. So that's what I can tell you.
Okay, all right. So I'm very sad. I don't know what to say.
Yeah,
It's a car I just spent a lot of money to purchase.
Yep.
And I don't think I have the energy and the money and the time to invest. You said I have to buy another engine, and it's very expensive. And we live in Togo,
I live in Togo.
and it's gonna take a long time to find one. It's gonna be expensive to bring it here.
I check the engine is almost $6,000.
$6,000 for the cheaper one you could find.
Cheaper I can find, I got to be like $4,800.
And then we have to bring it here. We are not sure. There are other issues.
And I don't know how many the pen, the warranty.
And we don't know what other things can break on this car.
Like run out, to be honest.
You know.
All the problem I can tell you run is for the engine.
A foreigner.
Yeah, run out. The problem you have is the engine.
The problem is the engine.
Yeah, well, after I check everything 100% is good.
So there are other things on the car are fine,
Okay.
but it's just the engine that's the problem.
Just the engine.
The transmission is fine, just the engine.
Just the engine.
Wow. Okay, that's it, guys. That's Mr. Ati from what's the name of your shop again?
This is a Bamui repair shop.
Bamwe Repair Shop.
Yeah, Lomi.
I just met him today, and I fell in love with the guy because you can feel that he knows what he's doing. He knows what he's talking about. So I just went ahead. I never gave this car to anybody since I bought it. I've been working on it myself. This is the first guy that touched the car. So that shows how much I think he knows what he's doing. So he just confirmed what I thought was happening to the car. The engine is too. I don't know. I don't even know how to say it. The engine is gone.
It's gone. And to be honest,
Wow.
we don't need to blame anyone. Anybody who can blame Rana is the owner of the Audi. It's a manufacturing mistake.
It's a manufacturer mistake.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Even they can take me to court, I will prove it.
We all know it, and I'm sure you're right about
I
it.
can prove it. It's
Wow.
a manufacturer mistake.
Okay, that's it, Mr. Ati. I asked him.
I'm real. I'm from Togo, so I want to make sure if anyone don't know where I'm from Togo.
Good,
You know?
yeah.
So it's not nobody's mistake. It's a Audi problem.
It's an Audi problem. Audi, Volkswagen, the whole group.
The whole, we deal with it. This is X's, this is Chrysler. We deal with all cars here. X's, we do all cars. Any car, rent, anything you have, I mean, yeah, we take care of it.
All right,
Yeah.
all right. So one question I asked you earlier is, if I don't have any other car right now, and I would like to use this car, can I drive it like that?
Yeah, I can let you drive the car, but you cannot be over 65,000
6,000 miles, 6,000 RPM.
Yeah, RPM.
Okay.
So don't
I
go
should.
fast.
Okay, but I can still drive it until it dies.
Drive, yeah, you can drive.
Yeah, because it's too. I mean, I spent too much money on this car to just let it go like that.
Ready to spend one now. So,
I'm not ready. I mean, like, I'm disappointed. Because, you know, even if we put a new engine in this thing, the engine is going to have the same problem,
have
right?
the same problem.
Yes.
Because it's manufactured
So,
system.
no, just toss the car.
Yeah, so they have to do something.
Audi, why did you do this?
That's
Why
all-
did you do
that's
this?
all the mistake.
I used to be a fan, now I'm a hater.
So now
I hate you, Audi.
they have to fix the problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, my brother. Nice to meet you again.
Nice meeting you
Thank
too.
you. I appreciate that.
All right.